In this video, we are going to look at the meaning of the word text. Now, text does not refer to textbook alone or to your course book or anything that you read on a piece of paper or on your computer screen or your phone screen. That is, it is not just words that are referred to as text. Text could be any object, especially in literature, social sciences, and humanities. The way a text is understood is that it can be any object that can be read. Read over here means not literally reading but understanding, and any object that is open to interpretation, that is open to meaning making, right? So a text in that sense then could be a work of literature, a street sign, an arrangement of buildings on a city block, or styles of clothing also, right? And so primarily, what is a text? A text is a set of coherent signs. Coherent is well organized, systematic signs. What is your language and the words that you read, after all? They are a set of signs, they are a set of symbols on paper, right? Which stand for meaning, certain meanings. So it is a coherent set of signs that transmits some kind of informative message. So when you look at the signs collectively or in sequence, you kind of make meaning. You engage in a process of meaning making. That is what a text is all about. So in that sense, even this stone tablet could be a text, because these figures along with these inscriptions and symbols, though we can't read it, but certainly they would mean something. In that sense, the idol of this goddess can also be read. The picture of this goddess can also be read in a certain way, as in there can be a symbolic interpretation as to why she is wearing a garland of severed heads, why she is carrying a severed head, why is she carrying a bowl to collect the blood under it, and why the skirt, the girdle of severed arms, why this and why this stands, what is the symbolism behind her blue complexioned uh, persona, and why is her tongue out, why is she so fierce looking. So this is all. So together, the idol, the persona of the goddess is like a text, because all coherent signs come together, and every sign stands for something which needs to be interpreted, right? Similarly, if you look at monuments, architectural works, you will also find that they are also read in a particular way. There's a logic behind the way they appear or the way they have been built, right? So here what happens is, it's the message that is more important. It's not the physical form or medium that becomes very important, right? It's the message. What is the message that is coming to us through that particular text, whether it's a signage or a tablet or an idol or a monument or a building, or the way even a building is organized, the way a room is arranged, right? So maybe you enter a room and you enter someone's bedroom and you see the bed is near the window, right, and the cupboard is at the other end. In some rooms you might find the bed is in the center of the room and the cupboard is close to the window. So all these different aspects of spatial arrangement actually refer to and convey different kinds of messages, right? So that was all about